pala ang part 2 ng Would You Rather. Napanood nyo ba ang part 1? So, mamili na tayo. Let's go!
Would you rather be rich or be poor?
Siyempre, be poor ulit. Poor naman talaga kami eh. Kalbo siya, guys.
Would you rather be tall or be short?
Short kasi bata ako eh. Yoing. Ilang taba? Yay! Kasi na ako dito. Bawal. Okay. Wee! Bumalik na ako. Ano to?
Would you rather marry 6'7" or marry Skibbity Toilet?
Skibbity Toilet. Yeah.
Chat, we are gathered here today to witness a monumental W. We are here to lock in the bond between this absolute unit
6'7"
and our fellow legend on the right, 67. 6'7". Do you promise to be
I do
good
6'7".
player? Take 67.
I don't know Capri.
I now pronounce.
Uy! Ano to? Ano yun, guys? Okay. Let's go. Uy! Okay. Tagal naman ng finish line. Ano to? Save your best friend, save your pet. Siyempre, pet.
Would you rather save your pet
pet or
save your best
friend? Siyempre, yung friend. Ay, yung pet. Ayaw mo yung going. I will live, I can fly ko. Okay. Be a girl or be a boy?
Would you rather be a girl
Or be a boy? Siyempre, be a girl. Kara-kara. Ang cute pero mataba. Flying your friend or flying a baby?
Would you rather fling your friend or fling a baby?
Ano kaya yung... Siyempre, yung best friend ko. Haha. Kasi yung pet ko eh, sinave ko. Kaya yung ano ko naman, best friend. Okay. Ang layo naman. Okay, yeah.
Would you rather adopt a dog or a baby?
Adopt daw dog, syempre. Yan. Oh! Okay.
Would you rather join the group and like the game or be grounded by
for
mom?
7 days. Oh,
I now like the video. Like itong video, guys. Yay. May pusa.
Would you rather have a pet unicorn or a pet talking cat?
Hindi naman totoo yung unicorn na yan, kaya dito tayo. Okay. Ano ba to?
Would you rather wear a superhero cape every day or have boots that make
Sorry! Okay guys, sorry yung aso ko. Ano ba kasi itong pusa na to, nakakainis? Yan tuloy, nagising niya si Primo. Okay. Animals na naman. Animals na nga ako, guys. Lagot. Ano to? Ayoko dito. Lalabas ako. Labas tayo, labas. Yeah. Yun. Tapos din. Okay, guys.
Tawag dito. Dito ba? Tapos na kayo? So, asan ba nakalagay? Yan. Ito na.
Have a mad.
Uy, Bella, dun ka nga. Saan ako nandun ka?
Ito na lang, guys. Bag. Ayan, oh. Yan, parang galing school. Baby dragon or baby dinosaur? Tapos tignan niyo yung technique ko. Dinosaur yung pipiliin ko. Yan. Tapos sasakay tayo. Sakay. Dito. Sunod ka. Hala. Pasakay. Bala ka dyan, iiwan na kita. Chocolate. Siyempre, chocolate. Yung dinosaur! Okay. Ito na lang. Oh! Wee! Last na to, guys. Ito. Ulitin natin. Piliin ko lahat ng hindi ko napili. Okay.
Doon ka na mainit dito.
Bak? Sige. Sige guys. Bye-bye na ako. Hanggang part 2 lang yun ha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Comment for part 2. Comment part 2 dito. Ito. Bye-bye.